GT Passport's target audiences are holidaymakers, travel fans, road trippers, and car enthusiasts who use our guidebooks to plan and carry out road trips in the UK and Europe. A great way for your business to reach this diverse audience is through sponsorship. So we've come up with a few ways for you to sponsor our activities and take advantage of our media platform. Firstly, let's look at film sponsorship, our entry-level package. For each of our routes, we are producing a series of films to promote the guidebooks for each route. These films are either epics or features. Epics cover the overall road trip experience, while features are shorter films focusing on trip highlights or on some of the businesses that feature in our guidebooks. Film sponsors are eligible for product placement in at least one of our productions. Where a specific product isn't available, your brand can be mentioned on screen, or we can show your service being carried out if that's more appropriate. Even without product placement, your brand will be mentioned in the video description, along with a link to your website. When our videos are posted to our YouTube channel, they can be easily shared or embedded on your own site or social media, and we will be sharing them across our social media as well. GT Passport routes will also form the basis for a new television series, so further opportunities may arise as this develops. Until then though, our entry-level package remains just £1,000 per production. Now let's step up to route sponsorship. This package lasts for 3 years and has all the perks of film sponsorship. In addition, you'll be given a listing in the sponsors section of the guidebook with the route you are sponsoring, as well as on the GT Passport website. You'll also be entitled to at least one image appearance. This is a staged photo including your business premises, brand, products or personnel, which will be shared through our social media channels and made available to you to use in your own marketing material. Route sponsorships are linked to a specific route, and there can be more than one sponsor for each route. You'll appear in at least one press release relating to that route. All this comes in at £6,000. Next up, it's cover sponsorship. Again, this lasts for 3 years and includes all the perks of route sponsorship. Plus your brand will appear on a front cover banner as the exclusive cover sponsor for a single route. So there will only be one cover sponsor per route, and they are invited to share a stand at any relevant trade shows where GT Passport is exhibiting. The cost of cover sponsorship is £6,500. Now our all-encompassing global sponsorship package. Again a 3-year deal, and again with all the perks of route sponsorship, but with an important difference. Instead of a listing in one guidebook, your brand will appear in all our guidebooks across every route on the global sponsors page. This is ideal for multinational product suppliers or service providers who have clients and customers across all or most of our geographic markets. Global sponsorship comes in at £8,000. We encourage an organic relationship with our sponsors, with a view to continual improvement in our customer service and sponsor engagement. If you'd like to get involved, contact info@gtpassport.com today, and we'll look forward to working with you.